I certainly want to see us collaborating more, being really transparent with each other so that we can learn and get better at our craft.
I remember trying to solve what we called the 15-foot problem. You know, you've got a screen there, you're not holding it, and you've tried to like move things around, you're typing in the title you're searching for, right? It's horrible. So voice becomes the actual interface.
AI is very much driving towards conversational. It's about changing the world for people who could not access this tech before.
We don't have enough medical staff, enough nurses and doctors to call or visit someone to check in on them. So these patients would have a conversation every morning with Molly, the virtual nurse avatar.
Our platform really allows you to do more than what you typically expect from a TV experience. People just loved that this remote could solve that problem for them. They don't have to remember that CNN is channel 817.
I'm encouraged to see us starting to think beyond sound simply as a marketing tool and thinking of it as a way that it adds meaning and value to a brand's proposition.